Welcome. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to find the equation of a line tangent to the curve f of x equals x cubed when x equals 2. Let's begin by recalling what a tangent line is. So here I'm just going to sketch any graph, not necessarily the graph of the function we're working with. And the tangent line to this function here, say at this point, is the line that intersects the function at this point here, which also has the same slope as the curve. So this red line has the same slope at this point as the curve. So what we're looking for is we're looking for the equation of a line. We're looking for some line of the form y equals mx plus b. But in our case, our m is the slope of the tangent line, and here we're going to use the limit definition to find the slope of this tangent line. So the limit definition is the limit as x approaches our value, which is 2, of our function minus our function evaluated at 2 divided by x minus 2. So as an aside here, f of 2 is equal to 2 cubed, which is just 8. So this becomes the limit as x approaches 2 of x cubed minus 8 over x minus 2. What you see here in the numerator, this is a difference of cubes. So we end up with the limit as x approaches 2 of x minus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 4. And this entire quantity is divided by x minus 2. So of course x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 is just 1. So we end up with the limit as x approaches 2 of x squared plus 2x plus 4. And now I can apply direct substitution to get 2 squared plus 2 times 2 plus 4, which is just 12. So the slope of the tangent line to x cubed when x equals 2 is 12. All right, so now let's go ahead and find an equation to this line. So we're going to use the point slope form of a linear equation, which is y minus y naught equals m times x minus x naught. And in our case, our point is here, 2, 8. That's our ordered pair that we're looking at, and our slope is 12. So we have y minus 8 equals 12 times x minus 2. We can rewrite this as y equals 12x minus 24 plus 8, or just y equals 12x minus 16. So this line here, that is the equation y equals 12x minus 16, is the equation of the line tangent to this curve at x equals 2. I hope this video was helpful.